So today in this video you are going to see unboxing of Boya K3, a new microphone that is Supercardioid and a condenser microphone. And after opening the packaging you will be able to see we have an user manual, and from the user manual you will be able to see different functionality and the different options available in this microphone. And usually we don't read these kind of books, as you already understand, but if you wish to see how this actually works and what functionality it offers, you can read through this. And other than that, we have different accessories, and it comes with a great packaging, as you can see. And it has a pop filter that allows you to prevent any kind of noise, and basically wind noise. And it comes with a very strong bass, and it also have different accessories, such as you will be able to mount this to a microphone holder, as well as it comes with a very nice cable that is type C to type C, as well as type A to type C. Depending on which device you use, it will allow you to use any of the options. And here is our microphone, and this looks very nice, as you can see. And it has the gain control system, it has ENC system, it has one tap mute option as well, and it feels great. So as you can see at the bottom, it has the type C connector that allows you to connect to any device, and it also have a 3.5 millimeter jack that allows you to do real-time audio monitoring. And this is the knob that allows you to set the gain control. So it comes with a lot of features, as you can see. And in a moment I'm going to open the base stand, and it's fit very tightly, so I'm a little bit struggling to open this up. And here comes our base, and it has a shock mount system, so that in case your microphone has any kind of disturbances, it does not create noise. And it is very strong, as you can see. And the finishing of the microphone stand is perfect, and it does not have anything else, as you can see in the package. And let me put this aside, and let's see. Yeah, so this is the accessories that you can see. And it contains the connector for microphone holder, as well as you will have the cable that allows you to connect this to any device. So this is the connector, and here you can see that we have a cable, and it has both type C to type C and type A to type C support. And depending on whichever way you prefer, you can use this. And let me connect this to the base stand. And connecting this is very easy, as you can see. If you screw this in, and simply just it will connect easily. And here you can see we have the pop filter connector. So all you have to do is align this correctly, and then put it inside the pop filter placeholder, and this is how it will be able to connect. And I am recording this using the Boya K3 microphone already, so I hope you understand how this sounds. And I have some background noise, but I have everything suppressed by the noise cancellation feature of this microphone. So let me double tap on top of the microphone, and you will understand that we have some noise here, so I'm currently disabling the environmental noise cancellation. So let's go. And I think you can now hear some background noise while I'm talking. So let me enable the noise cancellation again by double tapping, and now we have the noise cancellation turned off. And you can already see how nice this actually looks like. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you get the idea of how this microphone sounds. And if you were looking for a condenser microphone, you can of course look for this, because for the price it offers, it is a, a great deal, I would say. And thank you for watching, and if you have any question, please feel free to write down in the comment section below and share this with your friends. Thank you for watching.